In today's video, I'll be playing EA Sports FC26 on my base PS5 with my MSI 32-inch 4K OLED monitor. The game has received a new patch which adds the new World Cup mode, so we'll check out how it looks and plays. Also, EA Sports FC26 is available free on PS Plus this month, so this is the great time to try the game. On this OLED screen, the match looks super clear, the colors are bright, and the gameplay feels smooth and responsive. Let's kick off and enjoy some football together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.
A contest that carries with it plenty of significance for the two competing sides. The group stage quest continues, and it'll be fascinating to see which team can outfox the other. Stay with us for our live coverage right here on EA TV. Well, this is more than a contest. It's a moment for heroes to stand tall on the biggest stage. Hello and welcome. I'm Derek Ray here in the commentary position, and next to me is Stuart Robson providing analysis. The stage is set. It's Portugal versus Uzbekistan.
Well, I have to say, this has the makings of a very good game. There's some real talent out there today.
And the referee gets this game going. Every reason to believe this should be a cracker. Here's how it looks for Portugal. Nuno Mendes plays with João Cancelo in the fullback positions. And the focal point in attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, that attack collapsed completely. Bernardo Silva. Now with Vitinha. Ronaldo. Ronaldo! And a goal! 1-0, and what a fast start they've made to this game.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
Match has restarted, 1-0 here. Well, attacking possibilities. What a cross work out for them. And he's got to clear his lines. The attack ended disappointingly. This could level it. Is that?
Well, he should score from there. That's a wasted opportunity. He should beat the keeper from that sort of distance.
Bernardo Silva. Here's Ronaldo. And a tidy tackle. Chance for the leveller. Can they stop it going in? Oh, got everything behind it. Can he deliver it with accuracy? Well, it was a crowded penalty area, but the keeper's done well to hold on to that. João Neves. Silva. Now with Vitinha. João Cancelo. Oh, surely! Oh, a challenge that simply had to be won.
Well, he did brilliantly there. What an important challenge that was.
Nicely weighted pass. build-up, but no end product. Ferreira. Oh, nice ball over the top. Ground to make up, and perhaps this corner can assist them. And over it comes. Succeeded in winning it back. Oh, it was there for him.
Well, it's not a good finish, is it? That was a glorious opportunity.
Joao Cancelo. Danger building. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Minge. On the ball, Rafael Leao. Well, they lost custody of it. Bernardo Silva. Now with Vitinha. Well, that's good defending. Well organised at the back.
They didn't allow that to develop, did they? Good organisation, I would say.
Vitor Ferreira. Here's Ronaldo. Well, passing moves like this will build confidence. Giving it a go. And what a magical save it was! Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. And he's fired over the corner. Oh, that's not a good clearance. Well, no way through in the end. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. Cristiano Ronaldo was a big part of the build-up to this one, and he hasn't disappointed, Stuart.
Well, I thought he had a really effective first half. Not only did he get the goal that gave them the lead,
Underway once more. It's advantage Portugal after the first 45, but plenty of time for a few twists and turns before this one is over. Gonzalo Inacio. Cristiano Ronaldo. Dangerous ball. And a goal! They're going to take some stopping now. Two in front here.
well, just look at how poor the defending is here. But I have to say, it's still a very tidy finish. He looked really assured there.
Here, and the ball is moving again.
Number 7, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Nicely cut out. This looks interesting. Oh, they were in a decent position too.
Really good defending there.
Now counter-attacking possibilities. Chances on. Take it on. Not out of the woods yet.
Well, I have to say, that was a fine save. And it just about keeps this game alive.
Well, they can't exhale just yet. Here they come again. He's in with a chance. And a superb stop.
Yeah, that's really good goalkeeping. Just made himself so hard to beat there.
Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. Playing it in. And a struggle to get it away properly. And problem solved for now. Maybe dangerous here. Oh, good hands! Full credit and away from trouble. And support available. Ronaldo. And it's fallen for Ronaldo. And great work from the keeper to avert the danger. Oh, great defending. Quick break could be on. Bruno Fernandes. Real chance. Oh, that is a wonderful piece of challenging.
Superb defending, wasn't it?
Well, Portugal might be onto something. Crossed in by Ronaldo. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Well, the manager has seen enough. Not his best game today. Well, pressing really high. And a strong tackle. Threading it. Ronaldo! And a fierce effort, but not accurate enough.
Well, as you said, he went for power, but he's just off target. A bit unlucky, really.
Oh, the threat is there. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. Now, options are plenty. Could pull one back here. A smart stop here. Well, that is asking to be booked. Well, it was apparently a bookable offence.
Well, no debate over that one. It's a yellow card all day long.
Cristiano Ronaldo. And the defensive intervention there. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. Well, winning back possession. And the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
They were better than their opponents in all aspects of the game. They defended well enough, they dominated midfield, and they created chances as well. It was a great performance.
Ronaldo is going to have a big smile on his face tonight.
Well, he did everything today. His energy, skill and movement was just too good for those defenders. It was a really good display.